Hi, I am Shubha. I'm a working professional. I joined TIC almost 4 5 months back. It is one of the life changing decision for me. I was basically looking for technical analysis courses related to trading, but I did not found anything good. Even I have gone through several courses which was not added any value for me. Then I found TIC from one of my senior, which is one of the best place I can say. TIC is not about only learning technical analysis. It is all about life science under the guidance of my guru Nishant Arora, who really want to change the lives of people. It is one of the best decision which I have ever taken in my life, and I would love to say everyone come and join TIC. It is one of the best place to be for learning technical analysis, and really you will improve a lot in your personal life also. Thank you.
Hi Nishant sir, hi Praful sir. This is Dana here, working as a software professional. Through one of my friend, I came across TIC and joined 6 months back. Before joining TIC, I have zero knowledge on stock markets and trading, and I don't believe in stock markets also earlier. But then once I joined TIC, when I started listening your audio files, I truly understand what is meant by technical analysis of the stock market, and then I started believing those terminologies, and I feel it is true. So thank you so much for your wonderful teaching, and I am so blessed to have you as a mentor, as a guruji for us. And one more thing is that it's not only trading that you are teaching us, and your way of perception towards the life that has created so much impact in my life, especially my daily habits, my way of life. Every day it has been changed, and very important, some critical aspects which I loved most, I started teaching to my son as well. Thank you so much sir for creating impact in so many lives, and I wish you all the best. Thanks so much. Thank you.
Hello sir, I am Kanupriya, TIC 2.0 बैच 5 स्टूडेंट। TIC के बारे में ये कहता है मुझे कि आप जिस बारीकी से हमें ट्रेडिंग के बारे में सिखाते हैं, बाकी और कोई नहीं सिखा सकता। बाकी सब स्ट्रेटेजी के पीछे खाली भागते हैं, लेकिन आप हमें सारी चीज़ें सिखाते हैं, और उसका बेसिक से उसका सारा डिटेल्स सब चीज़ समझाते हैं, छोटा सा छोटा पॉइंट भी, कि सारी चीज़ें हमें सोच समझ के फैसला लेने के लिए आगे बढ़ाती है। तो वो भी मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है। सो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर दिस ब्यूटीफुल ग्रुप। एंड और दूसरी है कि आप रियल लाइफ के बारे में भी बहुत इजीली हमें हैंडल करना भी सब चीज़ सिखाते हैं रिगार्डिंग ऑफ ट्रेडिंग। वो भी मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है TIC के बारे में, जो कि TIC को एक अलग ही लेवल पे लेके जाता है। थैंक यू।
Hello, I'm Mahi Latte and I'm 12 years old. My parents bought me this class so I could understand trading at a young age. Overall, I think TFS has given me a great experience of the stock market. The detailed teaching has given me a well understanding of how to trade and how to analyze charts. Thank you, TFS.
Does your trading need work? Looking for some sure shot tips or a simple fix? Well, TIC is not the place for you. It's so much more. We've learned the basis of market structure, how to connect different time frames, analyzed winning and losing trades, and to be constantly aware of our emotions and psychology. Nishant is a mentor extraordinaire. I'm truly in awe of his limitless insight, energy, enthusiasm, and generosity, not only of his time, but of his experiences. Truly blessed to be a part of such a supportive group. Thank you, Nishant and TIC from Ranita.
Hi, myself Trista. With Almighty's grace, I am a member in TIC family now and learning the toughest profession under the guidance of Nishant sir and Praful sir from the basics. By listening the daily nuggets of Nishant sir, I feel that I am a better emotionally managed person now. Thank you Nishant sir and Praful sir. Thank you, love you all TIC family members.
Hello, my name is Shruti. Before TIC, I did not know much about the technical analysis or the stock market for that matter, but I was very much fascinated though. So TIC has been phenomenal in helping me understand this beast called the stock market and find some order in the chaos. So yeah, it has equipped me both technically and psychologically to tackle it in any of the market conditions. So all thanks to Nishant Arora sir, the market wizard himself, for being there for us all the time and providing us with the immense knowledge that he has. And yeah, he wants to see us succeed no matter what. So yeah, and also in TIC we get to pick on his brain all the time, and yeah, so I would thank TIC from the bottom of my heart.
Hi friends, I'm Renu Singhania from TIC 2.0, and I'd like to say a few words about TIC today. TIC, which is very close to my heart. TIC is like a second home for me now, a place where I love to spend quality time, and a place where I get a true sense of belonging. TIC is that life-changing journey which will not only evolve you into a good, consistently profitable trader, it will evolve your entire thought process for all matters, be it trading or non-trading alike. You know, there used to be this one line which I firmly believed in all my life, and I sort of managed to brainwash both my kids into believing this line, and I'm glad that I did that. And that line is, anything that is worth doing at all is worth doing well. Now, my TIC experience makes me want to alter this line a little bit and say, any trade that is worth taking at all is worth taking TIC. Now, coming to Nishant sir, a dynamic and beloved captain. His limitless knowledge, his wisdom, his passion to teach, his passion to see his students succeed, which far exceeds our own passion to succeed, you know. I know it sounds unbelievable, but it's true. Now all these factors combine together to make Nishant sir a teacher par excellence, and we are indeed blessed, truly blessed to be learning from him. I just hope and pray to God that, you know, we are able to do justice to this ocean of knowledge which he is selflessly imparting to us day in and day out. And I aspire to make you immensely, immensely proud of us someday, Nishant sir, especially batch 5. Thank you so much for everything, Nishant sir. Thank you. God bless you. Bye-bye.